Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is Market Today, a show where we discuss the latest market trends and also some stocks that are in our focus today. Also joining in with me on this special edition is Rajesh Palvia from Axis Securities, the head of technical research and derivative research right there. Welcome, Mr. Palvia, and good afternoon. Thank you so much for taking the time out for this discussion. Well, the markets have, on a Friday being in a completely TGIF mode right now, 1,000-point jump on the Sensex, almost 323 points up on the Nifty as well. A 2% uptick is what we are seeing. Does it look like the festive cheer is spreading faster right ahead of Diwali?
Good afternoon, Sakshi. So yeah, there is cheer in market because since last few trading session we were seeing that there was a supply pressure in the market. But again, yesterday data from the US as well as our inflation data has given some bit of relief in the market. So overhang of the data is already now gone, and the market has shown a smart pullback action from the recent low. So looking at the setup, we feel that now if we continues to hold above 17,100 level, then possibly another round of buying we can witness in the coming week also, and possibly Nifty can try to move further higher towards 17,400, 450 zone, which is again next immediate hurdle for the Nifty. As today Nifty is now managed to hold above 17,200. So some call writers are unwinding their position, but still 17,300, 400s are still holding the significant call writing activity. So we need to watch whether in second half we'll be able to cross 17,300, 350 zone. Then another round of short covering can be there in the market for Nifty.
Oh.
So we are projecting target of 17,500, keeping a stop loss of 17,100 for Bank Nifty. Again, 39,500 is very important level. Already we are trading around those level. So if we able to hold and sustain about 39,500, then we may see a short covering action in Bank Nifty also. Next target for Bank Nifty should be around 39,800 to 40,200. On the downside, one can keep a trailing stop loss on the higher side towards 39,100.
Okay, so short covering possibilities going forward. We may see another bout of buying right there. 17,500 immediate next targets for the Nifty and 39,800 for the Nifty Bank as well. But the stocks that are in our focus in today's trading session are the IT stocks, because amid earnings, we are seeing a lot of momentum. Today, Infosys is also among the top gainers. In fact, it's the top gainer right now on the Nifty. 3.5-4% uptick is what we are already witnessing on the stock right there. Mr. Palvia, we've seen the IT bellwethers report their earnings. TCS came out with the earnings first, and solid set of numbers coming in on that front. Infosys clearly outshining the other IT majors, even HCL Tech and Wipro right there. So the big debate now is between these two bellwethers, TCS and Infosys. Which one should one really go for? So first, help us, understand technically how are these two stocks placed, and then we can understand going forward, as to whether Infosys and TCS fundamentally also look better at this point.
So Sakshi, both the stocks were wealth creator over a decade, and both stocks are doing good in terms of price action. But in terms of business, if we analyze last three consecutive year, we have seen that that Infosys have performed better than TCS. We have seen Infosys is beating on the revenue front to the TCS, and the business gap is also narrowing down. So Infosys is gaining the market on the this IT side. And even on the Infosys is very aggressive in terms of its digital technology. They are investing in a big way on the digital technology through their Cobalt. They are giving an edge to enhance their digital capability, so which is also adding up, more comfort on the Infosys at the current level. Looking at the market share, they are gaining market share to in the BFSI automotive as well as in the retail segment also. Valuation comfort is also there. It's trading at 25% lower to its P multiple, so which is also giving us valuation comfort on the Infosys front. So if we compare both the stock or companies, so our comfort is on the Infosys at this moment, and we feel that Infosys is expecting to grow by 14 to 16% CAGR growth. We are expecting in FY25. In compared to TCS, we are expecting around 11 to 13% CAGR growth for FY25. So if we analyze both the stock, our comfort is on the Infosys, and we believe that Infosys can do well in coming year. Though on the long term basis, both stocks are wealth creator, and we are bullish on the both the stock. But on the, if we compare business side, we feel that Infosys can do well in coming years. So we are expecting that Infosys on the long
Okay.
term perspective, one can buy and accumulate. Our target for Infosys on the long term basis for 2 to 3 year time frame, we are expecting around 16,000, 1650 to 1700 on the higher side.
Okay.
So one can buy and accumulate Infosys.
Okay, so between the two, Infosys and TCS, Infosys comes out to be a better stock in terms of business as well, and technically as well. The targets have been shared with you. That is the stock that you need to focus as far as between Infosys and TCS post the earnings, in case you're looking to buy some positions right here. Thank you very much, Mr. Palvia, for being with us and sharing your thoughts on markets as well as on the IT stocks right now, which are in focus.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.